You must know how important table of contents is for SEO and a great user experience. It is basically an index that shows what you will get in a particular blog post. Every single day you see different kinds of table of contents while surfing online or getting ideas from your competitors' posts. But how to create a perfect table of contents for your WordPress website? Well, watch this video. In this video, I will show you how to add a table of contents in WordPress using Kadence blocks. Kadence blocks is an outstanding block editor plugin that eliminates the need of a page builder. Yes, there is no need to use a separate page builder if you have Kadence blocks installed. So let's get started. Wait, are you new to my channel? Please click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any tutorials on this channel. Hey guys, this is Nitin Dabas. I am the founder of dabasblog.com and SEOsession.com. You are welcome to this tutorial on how to add a table of contents in WordPress. I am using Kadence blocks to add the table, and trust me, at the end of this video, you will be wondering how easy it was to use Kadence blocks to create a table of contents for your WordPress blog. There are many plugins to add table of contents in WordPress, but while customizing a blog, we can't use separate plugins for different uses, as it increases the database size and ultimately increases the load on the server, which can adversely affect your website. So we need an all-in-one WordPress plugin that is standalone sufficient for all kinds of customizations. Kadence Blocks is a block editor that eliminates the need of separate plugin for table of contents. You don't need a separate page builder anymore. You can customize headlines, columns, buttons, and blog layout, etc. using this single plugin. So, what kind of table of contents you can create using Kadence blocks? Here are some examples. You can create a table of contents after first paragraph. It can be of multiple columns, depends on your choice, like a single column, double column, three column, whatever you want. Apart from this, you can add the table of contents in the sidebar also. In fact, you can stick it to the sidebar. So that's the benefit of Kadence blocks, as it is highly flexible and helps you in almost every type of customization. Before using this plugin, I have used Easy Table of Contents, but it stands nowhere in front of Kadence blocks. Let's get started to add table of contents in WordPress. So in your WordPress dashboard, click on Posts and open the post in which you want to add the table of contents. I am continuously talking about Kadence blocks. Here I am showing you how it is better than any other plugin. As I talk about Easy Table of Contents, that offers you to add the table of content at a fixed position, like after first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. But here you can add the table of content at any place you want. It can be after first para, second para, sidebar, or anywhere you like, even in the footer area also. That's obviously not recommended. You can just click on this plus sign button to open the blocks and search for table of contents. Here it is, click it. So it will show you the content in a hierarchical way, like heading, subheading, etc. Now come to its customization settings. When you click on blocks tab, you will see the setting of this block. We will start at the top. So these are the allowed headers. This means it will create a heading in the table if any one of these headers is present in your content. Now move on to second one. It is title settings. If you disable it, then the title of the table will disappear. So always enable it if you want to keep the title in your table. You can change the title as you wish, like what will I learn, what's inside this blog post, etc. Or you can keep it as it is. As I said earlier, it offers a variety of customization features that no other plugin offers. You can change the color of the title, and here are the typography settings for the title. You can increase or decrease the font size, line height, letter spacing, and on scrolling down you will see an option to adjust the title border width. If you want a border around your title, you can adjust it and then color the border according to your theme layout. Next feature allows you to collapse the table of contents. This means you can keep it collapsed or allow the user to open or collapse it. If you click on start collapsed, it will always open like this. These are the icons that you want to add for collapsing the tab. You can change it accordingly. Now list settings. It allows you to change the space between two items. You can change the color of the list items matching to your theme. Here comes an important feature, as you can change the list link style. Like I always prefer to underline on hover. You can change the typography settings of list items, but I always prefer to keep them as it is. You can adjust the margins of the list container. Now come to the container settings. Change the background color of the container as you wish. Adjust the padding accordingly. Now you can set the border width, radius and color. Here comes the premium feature to show the shadow of the container. Please keep remember, it always comes with Kadence Blocks Pro. So be sure, if you want to use this feature, you have to purchase the Kadence Blocks Pro. Now come to the scroll settings. Enable smooth scroll to automatically scroll down to the selected heading smoothly. If you enable this option, your list headlines will highlight when you scroll down to the active area. If you want to add multiple columns in the table, you can change it here, or change the listicle settings like this. So now you have added the table of contents and customized it accordingly. Let's preview the changes. So here it is. Isn't it time consuming to add the table of contents every time when you add a blog post and customize it? If you have to do it every time, definitely it is not the best plugin. But it offers you much flexibility to use the table. You can create a hook to add this table of contents automatically to the place of your choice. For this, you should have a premium license of Kadence Pro theme. If you want to try the theme, I have added the link to the description below. Now in the Kadence Pro theme, you will have the option of elements here. Let's create a new hook. Create a new element type, choose the content section and name it as TOC, means table of contents. Now repeat the same steps as we did to customize the table of contents in the blog post. I have created a table of contents and customized it earlier. Now click on element settings. Choose the placement of the table. Here I will place it inside the content and before the first heading. Display settings allow you to display it on the selected portion of your website. I will choose it to display on every single post. If you want the table to show only selected posts, then you can choose the particular author or choose the individual post. Similarly, you can exclude it to show on particular portions in your website. Of course, you want to show it to all users. You can choose the device on which you want to show the table, like mobile, tablet, desktop. Enabling expires allow you to automatically disappear the table after a specific time. Means if you set a time to disappear the table of contents, you can enable expire. That's it. Click on publish to go it live. Now it will show in every blog post after the first heading tag. Uh-oh, that's not the end of this video. There is something special for you. Now I will show you how to add the table of contents in the sidebar and make it sticky to the sidebar. For this, you just have to copy the shortcode of the hook and place it in the sidebar widget area. Click on the widget and paste the shortcode here. Now update it. Let's see, is it visible? Yes. Oh, but it goes away when we scroll down. Let's keep it sticky. Go to the customize option, click on general, now sidebar, and click on both options to enable sticky sidebar. To make it sticky, you need to put it in the last sidebar widget, because if you have multiple widgets in the sidebar, it will make only last widget sticky. Let's preview the changes. How simple is it to add a table of contents in the WordPress if you use Kadence blocks? That's why I like the Kadence blocks the most. The reasons don't end up here. It is one of the best block editors available, and its versatility and lightweight adds the feather to the cap. Above all, it is the first choice for bloggers who want to customize their blogs without a separate page builder. It is available at $69 for a year with premium support and updates. I have provided the link to the Kadence blocks in the description box. You can check it. If you have any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. If you like this tutorial, please like and share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it so that you don't miss any updates and tutorials in the future. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.